Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make 5-star Naniwa snow sculpture in Heartopia. First, make sure you have already activated the snow sculpture hobby and reach level 5. And if you don't know how to activate or level it up, just check the tutorial links in the descriptions to watch the tutorials. And then next, just to get the 5-star Naniwa NPC Naniwa sculpture like this. You must sculpturing the correct sweater. This one. You must sculpt at sunny, rainy or rainbow like this almost all time. And then next just begin the snow sculpting mini game, and during the tapping rounds just try to clear as many rounds as possible, because the more rounds that you successfully complete, the higher your chance to obtain a perfect sculpture like this. It's so perfect like this. It will look so perfect like this. The Naniwa sculpture, NPC Naniwa sculpture like this. And then so just remember for the correct weather and then how many complete rounds for to make the best chance for the Naniwa sculpture like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.